I think patients ask really good questions. As an OB-GYN in practice for over 16 years, I'm actually sometimes surprised that more questions don't get asked. And I think that this is because the information is out there on YouTube and on other sources. And so I'm starting this channel for our patients to be able to access some information direct from me on some frequently asked topics. I kind of have a list of questions that I answer on a routine basis. Some of these are not really in a lot of textbooks. Some of this is just from experience and actually just a lot of opinion. But that's what we're going to do. And hopefully this is going to be helpful. If you have any questions that you would like answered or videos on topics, feel free to email us at info@grovesmd.com and I'll put that on the list. I have a goal to get out 12 of these this year. I'm hoping I can do a lot more than that. But we'll get rolling. All the best to you guys.